Good afternoon, Angelo here. Today I got something that I had for a while, but I never even no, was interested to take a look on it at all until 2 days ago that I was doing some cleaning in my storage and I found those things there and I said, well, let me just take a look. Alright, just get to it and let's see what's going on. Right here, what I have is something I got from someone a while ago, but like I said, I never was interested or what at all until, like I said, I get out of my storage 2 days ago. Let me just try to get out here with one hand. And here we go. This is one of those keyboards with a 12-inch LCD built in, Ficihp. And I got this a while ago from someone that has said, oh, I got this, but I try all my computers, nothing works. If you want to just keep it. Okay, I brought home. And I think so at that time I was really busy with something else and I never like think about it. And like I said, 2 days ago I got to my storage. I got that one. Didn't have any cables or anything. And I started to look around. That keyboard uses a Thunderbolt port to run. So it can bring through here that there's a Thunderbolt port, not a USB 3. And from here it needs to come with audio, video, and the USB signals itself. Inside have a little switch hub to two more external USB ports. So I got home and I plugged it on my PC. USB port didn't work at all. It just turns on, shows no signal, and turns off. Then when was I started to look around and I figured out that was a Thunderbolt, and I said, well, let me just take a look. And I found one of those old nukes that I have laying around, and each has, as you can see here, a Thunderbolt port. So yeah, Thunderbolt is really different from USB 3. It's looks the same, it's kind of compatible, but there's a lot more than USB itself for carrying audio, video, up to 40 gigabytes of transfer. And see, as soon as I connect it, it comes up to power and says no signal. That's what was happening on my PCs, whatever. So let me just turn on that little PC. And you guys can see here we go, it already has picture. (1920 by 515), that's right, the correct configuration. And here we are. It's working. Touch screen. Yep. So let's just turn that PC off. And I look around to try to find the original cables for that thing. I could not find nowhere. I only see a few videos on YouTube and blah 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 with just crap information, nothing relevant at all. And a lot of people complaining about this, like always, those Chinese brands that nobody knows where they come from, where they go for after. But anyway, I was doing some research, and yesterday I went to Amazon and I found something that may works and may not. Let me just open up that package. And what I have here, that's the number from Amazon, whatever. And what I have here is a cable that looks similar to that original one that came with that thing. In one side I have here HDMI, and also I have here in one side one USB-C, that is this one here, that's for power. I don't know if you guys can read here or not. And a USB, a regular USB that gonna goes for the controls for the keyboard itself. So likely gonna work, but I don't know. And here on that thing I have HDMI, I have a port, and I have the Thunderbolt port to carry power, but I'm not even gonna use that one. I'm gonna grab let me just find, I have a charger, a USB-C charger that I'm gonna be using on that thing to see if it works. So just give me a few minutes, I will be back. So I'm back, and here I have my HDMI port, my USB port, and I have here Android charger with a USB. So on the other end, let me just disconnect that cable. On the other end here is the cable where it's supposed to come to the device itself. Let me just grab that one and connect it here. And okay, get the power, connect the power right there. Okay, it comes up right away, and oh, it's still shutting down. Okay, but looks like it works. Let's just turn the unit on again. And here we go. Looks like it's working. That's great. I'm gonna be using that keyboard on my desktop. And there you are. Let's see. Yep. Everything works how it should be. Alright guys, that's a thing for all of you guys that has one of those keyboards that's been laying around and nobody knows what to do, how to use it, or if they are missing cables, whatever. If your PC has a Thunderbolt, yep, just straight through. But if you don't have a Thunderbolt, HDMI cable, power data cable, and the power cable, and goes straight here and works fine. Okay, turn off the computer, just turn on again. Yep, and is working fine. Again, there is the package that just arrived like 10 minutes ago, and I have a working keyboard and display built in. Like I said, that thing has been sitting on my storage, I have no idea for how long, and I never ever even thought to use that thing at all. But now I may. And here is my desktop. It's a 13 Gen i5 it's an Intel one i5 1350 13500T. But like I said, unfortunately my desktop do not have a Thunderbolt port, only a USB 3.2. So I'm gonna be connecting that one right now and see how everything goes. All the cables is still laying down here, but let's see how things gonna goes. I will be back.
A few moments later.
And here is the bottom of my little PC, and I have my video card there, and which I connect the HDMI cable. Now I have here another USB. Let me see if I have another port here. Well, I need one more USB port down here, which I do not have, but I can take something out here. Yeah, I can take that one here. That's my webcam. I can plug on that hub right there, and that one goes here, and that one I have a USB-C port right there, and is connected. Now let's cross my fingers and see if it works. I'll be back. Alright, all the cables tossed in the back there, everything back. Now just grab that keyboard, put it right here, my mouse, and just turn the PC on. Funny thing, I don't even have power at all. That's weird. Okay, PC is initializing. Let's see if something happens or not. Nothing at all. Let's take the power out of that USB-C port on the PC and get the AC adapter to see if it works. Alright, after I connect external power supply, yes, it powers up. And I'm booting my PC right now. And yes, at least And here we go. Yep. I have both monitors now working.
One eternity later.
So just to finalize, seems like everything is working fine right now. Let me just that one. That's my main display. The Stream Deck, my Google XR, and that's the keyboard. And that one will be nice to have always open at the bottom here. I'm not doing that just to show. It's like stocks. And right in that, you can just keep doing whatever you want on your main screen. And just keep an eye. If you are trading or doing something, that's nice. That should be another application too, like on dolls. I'm gonna see if I can get Fruit Loops or the Studio one to get the main screen the whole set, and here only the controls. That will be nice too. I'm gonna try to find some software, whatever, for that thing to see how they works. And I think so that one is all to cover on that thing. I'm gonna leave the description for the link for that cable on here. And that's all, guys. If you like the video, please hit the button to like, subscribe. It's gonna help me a lot, subscribing and leaving your comments on the screen too, on the video, what you like, what you don't like, and I'm gonna try to see if I can do some change on the channel, and what you tell me, I will try to do it. Alright guys, thank you, and till the next one, bye.